Hey, I'm Matt Nichols at MrMaple.com. We're going to be talking about one of our most requested trees. Today's topic is Acer Palmatum Celebration.
Hi, I'm Tim Nichols, and welcome to the Mr. Maple Show. Today's video on celebration is going to be one you'll really like. In fact, take a minute and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our weekly emails on MrMaple.com. We had 10 new fun, exciting trees every single Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's something you'll definitely want to check out. Please also take a minute and share this video with your gardening friends. They'll really enjoy our full catalog of Japanese maples and other interesting plants on the Mr. Maple Show. Please take a minute too. If you have any comments, post those in the comment section. We definitely check that out, and enjoy this video.
Acer Palmatum Celebration. It's such an aptly named tree. This tree is such a celebration of spring. It goes through some amazing color changes. You're going to love this one in your garden. Celebration leaves out one of the brightest pinks in all of our garden. It's almost this metallic-y pink as well, as it gets some just amazing colors over top of that reticulated variegation. Just like many of the Ghost series, this one will get a little greener late summer. If you give it late day shade, it'll actually hold that color later into the season. This is basically the brightest version of a pink version of Purple Ghost. So if you love Purple Ghost, this one's going to be a great complement to your garden. This one has that bright pink and then a bold red in the fall. So the fall colors are actually quite exquisite as well. You're going to get some really nice shades of bright red.
Thanks, Matt. The colors on Celebration really are unreal. That fuchsia pink is just so bright. It's it's a fun tree to use in the garden. Acer Palmatum Celebration makes a nice upright tree, typically reaching about 8 to 10 feet in height in more of an upright fashion. Very typical of some of the Ghost series like Purple Ghost.
So there are so many good uses for celebration. I mean, put this next to anything, it's going to look great. But what I love to pair this with are things that are going to bring about that color dynamic to really give you some big contrast. This is a tree that's going to make a big splash next to Jordan or Summer Gold, especially Summer Gold. It's going to look really good next to that for the textures, for the size, and for the colors. But one I like to pair with is a yellow that pairs really fun with this pink is Golden Falls. That's going to give you some amazing color contrast and really show out the brightness of this pink when you put it up next to that yellow. This is a tree that's going to look great in any color pattern. I recommend a little more late day shade for its best color, but you do want to give Celebration some sun. By giving it some sun, you're going to peak those colors up. You're going to get the brightest pinks that it can reach in the early spring. So if you have a scenario where you can put it in early morning sun, late day shade, that's typically the best. I would recommend this either in a container or a focal point where you get to enjoy it, up close in person with you. This is going to be a focal point planting plant because it's going to be what catches the eye for sure. This is going to be one of the most colorful things in the garden, if you will, and it's definitely going to be a talking piece and something that draws attention in the garden.
Acer Palmatum Celebration is a fun introduction for our good friend Talon Buchholz, who introduced the Ghost series of Japanese maples. Celebration has a very similar reticulated variegation, but is very unique and different in this bright fuchsia pink color that stands out from almost any other Japanese maple. This is a tree you're going to definitely love in your landscape. Let's do an up-close look at this foliage.
So here we have an up-close look at Acer Palmatum Celebration. You can see the reticulated veins on this tree are quite interesting, and the color is just exquisite. It's one of the pinkest trees in the garden right now for sure.
Yeah, I really love how you can just see that etching of those veins. It really makes this tree have that sort of artistic appeal. It really makes this tree very unique, especially with that bright fuchsia pink color.
This is such a cool plant. You're definitely familiar with the Ghost series, and I mean, this is just, Talon quit putting Ghost on them, but this is like one of my favorites of all the whole grouping. I mean, it's definitely, Talon actually said it may be the best plant he's ever introduced, and just amazing colors.
The colors are just unreal. I like pairing this with a lot of bright yellows, bright neon greens, things like Macawi Etzabusa really make this plant stand out and really make this tree show off in the landscape. I mean, that etching on that is just so unique, so different. You see that ghost reticulated variegation. It's just, how do you beat that? That's amazing.
Hey, thanks for watching our video on Acer Palmatum celebration. This tree's one that's really going to leave you celebrating, whether it's celebrating a birth, a birthday, or even a celebration of life. I think you're going to love this one in your garden. It's going to be a tree that you're going to remember, and it's going to stand out to people because of those color patterns. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check us out weekly. We're always adding 10 new plants, often more, every single Tuesday at 10. That's our 10 at 10. And you might not have heard me say this one in our videos as much, but we're also doing Fun Flower Fridays now. So every Friday at 10, check out MrMaple as well for some fun flowering plants. So definitely check that out. We greatly appreciate you. We greatly appreciate everybody liking and subscribing too. This channel's been growing quite a bit. Tim and I have been so busy. We're hiring, we're expanding. We'll probably get y'all some looks at the new property and all that's going on here soon. We greatly appreciate all of your continued support. And thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a great day.
If you're still watching at this point, in the comment section below, comment your favorite pink Japanese maple.